today to talk to you about two very important words, when and while. So I'm going to start by giving you some examples for you to understand how these two words can give us some support when we are trying to express ideas. So, while I was cooking lunch, my neighbor knocked at my door. While I was having a shower, my cell phone rang. So while is a word that is usually used to indicate the idea that two actions are happening at the same time. So you can visualize the scene, like while I was cooking, my neighbor knocked at my door. Okay, quite simple to get. Then we have the word when. And then, well, listen to this. I was giving a lesson when I heard some noise. Okay, so I was giving a lesson when I heard. So that is a point in time. So usually when is a word that comes to indicate that an action happened. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, just let us know. Be the one. Join us.